Team 10, and our teammates are Madhu, Malik, and Neerendra, and our project is Employee Promotion Prediction. And submitted by Saranya and the team and our teammates. And our abstract is why promotion prediction is important. It will increase the HR decisions and also reduce the bias. In traditional promotion, there is a human judgment or it can be biased. Whereas promotion prediction, it will by taking the most input features, it will predict the output as a person is promoted or not. Our project goal is to find whether a person is promoted or not by taking the input features and using ML algorithms. And in order to perform our project, we use some machine learning models like logistic regression, random forest, and gradient boosting. And we also use some libraries like NumPy, Pandas, sklearn, and Matplotlib. And over to Madhu.
Good morning all, my name is Madhu. In order to estimate the employee promotion, we use some input features like gender, age, years of experience and previous performance ratings, job role, salary grade.
In our project, we are using some important libraries, Python like Pandas, NumPy, sklearn, and okay. Pandas are nothing but data manipulations are uses for NumPy are nothing but arrays, and sklearn are the simple and efficient tools like data analysis, and sklearn are the method analysis domain friendly.
Myself is Virendra and I am going to explain about the employee promotion prediction. What are the technologies we have used, and I am going to explain about we have used the logistic regression and the random forest, and the another one is XGBoost as the extreme gradient boost. And I am going to explain about what is meant by random forest. Random forest is a ensemble learning method which is used for both the classification and the regression, and it can handle the missing values. And the extreme gradient boost is used for learning method, and it is for the label data, and it can be handled with both the classification and the regression types. And the applications of the extreme gradient boost is it is mainly used in medical analysis and the fraud detection. And my friend Madhu will continue the next.
Complete our project, we perform a data collection after the data pre-processing. In data pre-processing is nothing but handling missing values. Here we handle missing values by using some methods like is-null or dropper. And when coming to encoding, is nothing but a conversion of categorical data into numerical data. Here we use label encoder and one-hot methods. And then we perform future scaling. In future scaling, we use normalization and channelization techniques. Those both techniques are used to improve scaling the input features. And then we divide training and testing. This is our project implementation.
Babu, era.
This is our program input. Registration will give the numbers. Registration numbers matter.
This is our project employee promotion prediction. Here we use number of input features.
Continue.
Next, number of trains.
Age 24. Rating 1 to 4.
1 to 4, okay.
1 minus 4. This is our project output, not promoted. What I am giving our inputs. Thank you, everyone. That's it.